You may want to share your class reader with your children at home via things like Seesaw, Shobi or Google Classroom. Using Keynote is the perfect way for you to do this, as the children can see both the book and you as you read. So let's have a look at how we do this. So the first thing to do is to pull down from the top right hand corner just below the battery to get the control center and find the one that looks like a note. You might have to do this, turn this on in settings, control center, and add the notes, but you long press and you can scan a document. The reason we're going to scan the document is it gets rid of everything in the background, so if you want your children to see the pictures, it'll smarten it out and straighten it out and make everything stand out. So here on my desk, when I take the photograph, it gives me the cover. I can drag and adjust, and when I hit keep scan, it trims out everything else and just gives me the cover. So you can do this for all of the other pages or chapters or whatever it is that you want to do if you want them to see it. So I'm just going to quickly do the first page here, and again I'm just going to quickly drag and scan the pages that I want, just like that. I'm going to hit keep scan. It'll tell me that I've got two there, and when I hit save, it will save them there, but it will also save them all to my camera roll. Now previously I have gone and taken all these photographs before, but it saved them all to my camera roll, so I can now use them to read from. So you can see my Keynote slide here has got the cover and the pages in the right order. If you notice, I've moved them slightly across to the left hand side, or you could do the right hand side, whatever, but I'm going to put a little video of me reading it over the top. So I would think this works better with the older kids, but so they can still see me, but they can read along as well if they want to. Or for the younger kids, if it's got pictures, they'll want to see the pictures. So they're all across to that side. There's my first chapter ready, and once I've done that, I am then going to go into the camera setting and I'm going to record myself reading the book. I've just recorded me reading each page of the book in a video, and I'm just going to add these little videos in so the children can see both the book and me. So I'm going to go to add, I'm going to go to photo, I'm going to go to recent, and this was the first one, just introducing the book. Just choose it, hit use, fills the screen. I'm just going to drag it and pop it into the corner, and then when it plays. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing really well. I'm using an emoji because so I've got my video there. As you can see, I've done this for the rest of the pages. On this particular page here, I recorded these ones as two separate pages, so I'm just going to animate these ones now so it plays in the right order. So I want that one to play first, then that one to play afterwards, so that's fine. And now I've got every page where you can see they can see me. I've used an emoji because I've got lockdown hair and it ain't a good look for anyone. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go hit the three dots in the top corner. I'm going to export this as a movie. I'm going to turn off 1 second to 0 seconds and 0 seconds. I'm going to make sure the resolution is low, so it's not a huge file, so when I upload it to Seesaw or Class Dojo, I get all of this. So when I hit export, this will create a movie. Hit share, and you can save the files, you can save the video, or you can upload it directly where you need it to go. I'm just going to hit save video, and that's it. Saved it into the camera roll. So now when I come out and I go into the camera roll, the very last video is this one here of me.